Let's talk about how AI is powering the next level of gameplay. Imagine facing off against intelligent adversaries, who not only react to your strategies but actively adapt in real time, crafting a truly dynamic and immersive challenge. Envision living, breathing game worlds that respond and evolve based on your choices, ensuring each playthrough is a unique and captivating adventure. This, my friends, is the exciting future of AI in gaming. But how exactly is this revolution unfolding? AI is transforming the gaming landscape in several ways. First, evolving the art of NPCs, or non-playable characters. AI breathes life into NPCs, enabling them to learn from your behavior, adapt their tactics, and even express a range of emotions. These lifelike and engaging companions elevate the gaming experience by blurring the line between player and character. Crafting dynamic gameplay mechanics. AI acts as the invisible conductor, orchestrating dynamic difficulty adjustments, personalizing your in-game experiences, and even generating unique quests and challenges. This ensures the gameplay remains fresh, exciting, and constantly surprising, keeping you hooked for hours on end. Now, introducing AI-powered companions and assistants. Imagine venturing into the fantastical worlds alongside an intelligent AI companion. This partner can offer invaluable hints, guide you through the narrative, or simply provide friendly banter, enriching your experience and fostering a deeper connection to the game's universe. The integration of AI in gaming is still in its early stages, but its potential to revolutionize the industry is undeniable. As AI technology continues to evolve and mature, we can expect even more immersive, dynamic, and personalized gaming experiences. The future of gaming is not just about pushing graphical boundaries, it's about harnessing the power of AI to create truly interactive and living worlds that captivate our imaginations and redefine the very essence of play. So, get ready gamers, the future of gaming awaits, and it's powered by the magic of AI.
Alright guys, give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new. Share and subscribe to encourage the work that we do. Don't forget to check the description below for our Telegram channel link, where we would be sharing fascinating crypto information. Till I see you again, stay curious and keep learning.